Good morning, Miss.
Good morning.
Miss.
Good morning.
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning. Everyone, please mark the attendance.
മിസ് ഈ സൂമില് ഏതോ ചൈനീസ് ഭാഷ അടിച്ച് പേരുള്ള ആരെങ്കിലും ഉണ്ടല്ലോ മിസ്സേ.
I can read only English. Okay, Malayalam also. I don't like Korean
മിസ്
and symbolic languages. I don't know. Please write your name properly when you log in. എനിക്ക് നിങ്ങളുടെ പേര് ഇന്റർപ്രറ്റ് ചെയ്ത സമയം കളയാനില്ല, അതുകൊണ്ടാണ്.
Good morning, Miss.
Halima, please change your name. Okay, sit up. Everyone, please mark your attendance. You had homework, right? Arjun, നിന്റെ ഫോൺ ഒന്ന് തിരിച്ചു വെച്ചേ. Justice, Alan Benny, Aradia, Halima, Joel, Muhammad.
Good morning.
Good morning. Okay. You had homework, right? Take it. Arjun, did you do the homework?
What is homework?
Semicircle അല്ലേ?
Which one?
Semicircle അല്ലേ?
Yes. Semicircle. Okay, in exercise 11.23 and 4, did we do that? Page number 216. Okay. Then, which was the homework? Please read the question.
What is the circumference of a semicircle disc of radius 14 centimeter?
14.
Take as 22 by 7.
Please take pi as 22 by 7. What's your answer?
Miss,
72.
I didn't get the answer because I didn't understand.
Okay.
22 centimeter.
22 centimeter.
No, Miss. 72.
72 centimeter. Okay. Find the circumference, right?
Yes, Miss.
And the radius of the circle? That was a semicircle, right?
Yes.
Yes, Miss. Semicircle.
And the radius or diameter?
Radius 14 centimeter.
14 centimeter. Listen here. It was a circle and its radius was radius. Radius is equal to what? 14 centimeter. Right. And we know that it's a semicircle. It was not a circle. It's a semicircle. Okay. Okay. you can consider this portion. I cannot do that. I don't know how to draw that like this. You may consider this portion. This is a semicircle, right? This is the semicircle. Its radius is 14 centimeter. We know how to find the circumference of a circle. What is the equation to find the circumference of a circle?
We have the radius. It is 2 pi r.
Yeah,
By R.
2 pi r. Okay, that is the equation to find the circumference of a circle. Circle means this complete curve. Okay. But in this question, we have the semicircle, not the circle. Clear? Only we have the semicircle. This portion is here. Semicircular disc, right? Semicircle, semicircular disc. Its shape is like this. Oru appam pagdi murcha pole circle ulla appam half portion aake pole shape. Okay, that is a semicircle. So this semicircle circumference aanu nammalodu kandupidikkan panna. We have to find the circumference of this semicircle. But we have the equation to find the circumference of a circle. Okay, using that equation, we can find the circumference of this semicircle. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ആ equation ഒരു പ്രത്യേക രീതിയിൽ ഉപയോഗിക്കുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഈ semicircle-ന്റെ ഈ curve ഇല്ലേ, this curve, ഈ arc, അതിന്റെ circumference കിട്ടും. കിട്ടൂലേ? We will get the circumference of this arc. Then കഴിഞ്ഞോ? അതുകൊണ്ട് കഴിഞ്ഞോ?
No,
No.
miss.
ഈ ഒരു ആർക്ക് മാത്രല്ല, ഈ ഒരു സ്ട്രെയിറ്റ് ലൈനും കൂടി ഉണ്ട് അല്ലെ? ആ ലെങ്ത്തും കൂടെ നമ്മൾ ആഡ് ചെയ്യണം. ഇത് ഈ ക്ലോസ്ഡ് ഫിഗർ എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഇതാണ്. ഈ ആർക്കും ഈ സ്ട്രെയിറ്റ് ലൈനും കൂടെ കൂടിയതാണ് ആ ക്ലോസ്ഡ് ഫിഗർ. ഈ ആർക്കിന്റെ ലെങ്ത് നമുക്ക് സർക്കംഫറൻസിന്റെ ഇക്വേഷൻ വെച്ച് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാം. ഈ ലൈനിന്റെ ലെങ്ത് ഇസ് given in the question. We can easily find the length of this line. That is what is the speciality of this line? It is what is the connection between the circle and this line? This line is the
diameter.
yeah, this line is the diameter of the circle. Okay. Okay. So if you know the radius, you know the diameter also. Okay, radius is 14 centimeter. Then what will be the diameter? What will be the diameter if the radius is 14 centimeter?
20.
Diameter is equal to 28 centimeter.
28.
Yeah, diameter is always 2 times of radius. 2 into radius will be diameter. Clear? Okay, now circumference of the semicircle. What is the equation? Circumference of the semicircle. Semicircle circumference and equation. Complete circle equation we know, but here it is semicircle. Semicircle is definitely half of the circle, right? Semi means half of the circle. Okay, so tell me the equation to find the circumference of a semicircle, which will be exactly
Pi r.
half
Two
of
pi
the
r.
circumference of
Pi
the
r.
circle. Yeah, that means 1 by 2 into circumference of the circle. This is the equation. Okay, 1 by 2 into circumference of the circle. Clear? And we know the equation for the circumference of the circle, that is 1 by 2 2 pi. Oh, that I have to draw. Okay, 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Clear? So this 2 and this 2 will get divided.
Yes, miss.
2 by 2 will become 1. Then we will only have that pi r. So pi r will be the radius of what? Radius of
that semicircle.
that semicircle, that curve only, that curve only. A curve മാത്രാണ് അല്ലേ, straight line എപ്പോഴും include ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ല. Okay, മനസ്സിലായോ? ഈ കർവ് മാത്രമേ നമ്മൾ this curve മാത്രം, ഈ കർവ് മാത്രം. ഇപ്പൊ ഞാൻ വരച്ച കർവ് അല്ല കേട്ടോ, that ra shape thing. Clear? So is pi r. This is the equation. Clear? Pi r is the equation to find the circumference of that semicircle. Now let's substitute the values. What is the value of pi that we should take? Pi is equal to
2 by 7.
22 by 7. 22 by 7. 22 divided by 7. Okay. 22 by 7 into, what is the radius here?
14.
14 centimeter is the radius. Clear? Now calculation, simplification process. 22 by 7 into 14. So
Good
it will
morning, ma'am.
become, hi, it is same as 22 into 14 divided by 7. Right? 22 into 14 divided by 7. Both are same. Okay, 22 by 7 into 14 is equal to 22 into 4. 14 divided by 7. You can do the simplification, right? 7 22 ilo 14 ilo പോകുന്നതാണ്. I mean 7 കൊണ്ട് 22 നെ 14 divide ചെയ്യാമോ? Can we divide 22 of 14 with 7?
14.
14. How many times it goes in 14? 2
Two.
times. Okay. So it will become 22 into 2, right? 14 by 7 will became 2. 14 by 7 means 14 plus 7, 2 times 14. That 2 came here. Then 22 into 2 will become what?
44.
44 centimeter.
44.
What is this 44 centimeter? What is this?
The
44
length of that curve.
Okay,
The
circumference.
length of that curve.
Yeah, length of that curve. Okay, circumference of the circular disc will be circumference of the semicircle plus what? Diameter. Okay, do not forget to add the diameter. Clear in this case. A straight line in the circumference ഈ സർക്കിളിന്റെ ഇക്വേഷൻ വെച്ച് നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ കിട്ടില്ല. ക്ലിയർ? ദാറ്റ് വി ഹാവ് ടു ആഡ്, എക്സ്ട്രാ ആഡ് ചെയ്യണം, എന്നാൽ ആ ക്ലോസ്ഡ് ഫിഗർ കിട്ടും അല്ലെ. സർക്കംഫറൻസ് ഓഫ് ദ സെമി സർക്കിൾ വി ഗോട്ട് ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് 44 centimeter and radius we know, we calculate, sorry, the diameter we know, we calculated that from the radius, that is 28 centimeter. Then 44 plus 28 will give you 72 centimeter. Clear?
72. Yeah.
Did you understand? You got it?
Yes, miss.
Any doubt?
Not out, miss.
Any doubt? Anyone else? Let me ask everyone. Okay, tell me, any doubt? Do you have any doubt?
Miss, അതിന്റെ ഇക്വേഷൻ
Equation?
എനിക്ക് അതിന്റെ കിട്ടിയില്ല.
Equation in the sense, the equation of a semicircle?
Yes.
Okay, so semicircle is the half of a circle. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay, circle means a full closed curve ആണല്ലേ, with the center. Okay, അതിന്റെ പകുതിയാണ് semicircle എന്ന് മനസ്സിലായി. You get that, right? If you know the circumference of a circle, a half curve എത്രയായിരിക്കും? Will be the half of the circumference of the circle. Is that clear? Same logic is there. നമ്മളത് mathematically ചെയ്തേ ഉള്ളൂ. 2 pi r is the circumference of a circle. Clear? 2 pi r is the circumference of the circle. To find the circumference of a semicircle, we have to divide it by 2. Half of the circumference of the circle will give you the circumference of a semicircle. Clear?
ഇപ്പോൾ റേഡിയേഷൻ തന്നിരിക്കുന്നെങ്കിലല്ലേ 2πr ആണ്. ഡയമീറ്റർ ആണെങ്കിൽ
Yeah. Radius is given there, then it is 2πr. Okay. Then 2πr diameter angle, diameter will be there. 2πr will become pi d. 2r is d. 2r. D is equal to 2r. Then pi d only. Okay. So 2πr divided by 2. But 2πr divided by 2. 2 numerator and denominator and we can cut it. So only pi r remaining there. Pi r മാത്രമല്ലേ remaining ഉള്ളൂ. മനസ്സിലായോ? Joel. Did you get that?
Yes, miss. Yes.
Okay. Then everyone please listen. Example 15 on page number 220. Please look at that. You have a shape in figure. Look at the figure 11.32.
Page number
220, 220. 220. Okay, at the last end of the page, there is a figure 11.32. Can you see the Malayalam ka pole undalle? Similarly, ka pole thonunna oru figure undu. Somewhat.
yes miss.
Yeah. We need to find the circumference of that shape. We need to find the circumference of that shape. Is that a circle? Is that a circle?
Mixed.
No.
2 circles and a rectangle or a square.
Okay, we only need to consider that's not a square. That's a dotted line, right?
yes,
It's
miss.
given. It's means that it's a diameter. The dotted line indicates that's a diameter. Okay, you can see that square, but that square won't affect this circumference. A square circumference il endengilum contribution cheyyunundo? അത് ഇൻസൈഡിലാണല്ലേ വരുന്നത്. സർക്കംഫറൻസ് പറയുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഔട്ടർ ലൈൻസിന്റെ ടോട്ടൽ ലെങ്ത് അല്ലേ കാണുന്നത്. ഔട്ടർ കർവ്സ് മാത്രമേ നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്യേണ്ടു. ആ സ്ക്വയറിനെ നമ്മൾ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ തന്നെ കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്യണ്ട. ക്ലിയർ? Okay. Now please don't look at the square now. Then you can find 4 semicircles over there. Clear? You can find 4 semicircles. Half.
Yes.
കുറെ 4 curves നിങ്ങൾ കാണുന്നുണ്ട്, 4 ആർക്ക്. Those are semicircles. Do you know its radius? Do you know its diameter? The diameter of all those
14 centimeter.
Yeah, all those
14
semicircles 14 centimeter. Okay. Wait. Let me change this. We know the radius. No. Diameter. Diameter is 14 centimeter. Clear? Then what? Then we need to find the circumference. We need to find the circumference. ഈ 4 semicircles-ന്റെ circumference add ചെയ്താൽ നമുക്ക് complete shape-ന്റെ circumference കിട്ടുമോ? What do you think? Can we add this? Can we add the circumference of each semicircle to find the circumference of that shape? Alle? First curve in the circumference, then second curve, third curve, and fourth curve, right? The 4 semicircles in the circumference add either we will get the circumference of the given shape. Clear? Then tell me, if the diameter is given, what is the circumference of a circle? Diameter is not. What is the equation to find the circumference of a circle is? Circumference of a circle, if you know the diameter. Equation.
Circle.
Yeah. Because circle nalle namukku semicircle kittullu. Semicircle equation നമ്മൾ circle ന്റെ equation ആണ് derive ചെയ്യുന്നത്. മനസ്സിലായോ? We are going to derive the equation to find the circumference of a semicircle. For that, we are using the equation of a circle. Clear? So pi d. This is the equation, right?
Yes. Yes.
Pi d, because we know the diameter. Pi d is the equation to find the circumference of a circle. Now, here we have the semicircle, right? Semicircle. What is the equation to find the circumference of the semicircle then? നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ equation derive ചെയ്യാൻ പോവാണ് കേട്ടോ. Circle equation നമുക്കറിയാം. We need the equation to find the circumference of a semicircle. What will be this half of circumference of the circle? That will be 1/2 of pi d. Clear? Pi d ആണ് ഒരു diameter. If we know the diameter, the equation to find the circumference of a circle is pi d. Is that clear?
Yes, miss.
Okay, in this case, we were given some semicircles only. There is not a circle, it's a semicircle. There we have 4 semicircles with same diameter. Clear? Okay. Then, since it is a semicircle, to find the equation to find the circumference, to find the equation for the circumference of a semicircle, we have to divide it by 2. Circumference of the circle, the equation namukariyam. Our equation, if we divide that equation by 2, we will get the equation for the semicircle. Clear? That means pi d by 2 is the equation here to find the circumference of a semicircle. Clear? മനസ്സിലായില്ലേ? 1/2 of pi d is the circumference of the semicircle. Clear?
Yes.
Now, let's substitute the values. 1/2 into pi can be, what is the pi? Pi we can take 22/7. Here pi is equal to 22/7 we can take. 22 divided by 7 into d. What is d here?
14
40.
14 centimeter. Okay, now do the calculation and tell me what's the value of the this is the circumference of a semicircle. One semicircle the circumference നമ്മൾ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുന്നത് equation വെച്ചിട്ട്. Okay, half of pi d. Circumference ന്റെ സർക്കിളിന്റെ circumference കാണുന്ന equation 2 കൊണ്ട് divide ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് കിട്ടുന്നതാണ് pi d by 2 or half of pi d. Clear? Then substitute the values, do the calculation and tell me the value. ഇത് ഞാൻ ഇങ്ങനെ എഴുതുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കുറച്ച് കൺഫ്യൂസിംഗ് ആണ് because I don't have that division operator here. ഇത് simplification വരുമ്പോൾ ഈ ഒരു മെത്തേഡിൽ വരും. മേലെ ഡിനോമിനേറ്ററിൽ ന്യൂമറേറ്ററിൽ 1 into 22 into 14 വരും. ഡിനോമിനേറ്ററിൽ 2 into 7. Okay, 2 into 7. ഇത്രയും portion numerator വരും. And this thing comes in the denominator. 2 into 7. What is 2 into 7?
14.
Okay.
14.
So we have a 14 in the numerator and denominator, right? Can we cut that in the numerator and denominator? 14 by 14 is there, right? That will become 1. So the remaining part is only 22. 1 into 22, that will become 22 centimeter. Clear?
22 centimeter.
Okay. 22 centimeter. You got it, right? എന്റെ ഈ എഴുത്ത് ശരിയാവില്ല ബിക്കോസ് മേ ബി നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അത് കൺഫ്യൂസിങ് ആയിരിക്കും. നിങ്ങളത് നോട്ടിൽ എഴുതി ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ യു വിൽ അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ്. നിങ്ങളുടെ മെത്തേഡിൽ എഴുതി ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഈസിയാണ്. ഞാനപ്പോ അതേപോലെ വരച്ച് എഴുതാൻ വേണ്ടി പോയ നമ്മുടെ പീരീഡ് അങ്ങ് പോകും. So this is a circumference of a semicircle, or one semicircle the circumference ആണ്. So we have how many semicircles there? We have 4 semicircles. So circumference
24.
Yeah. So each of these semicircle have the circumference 22 centimeter, right?
Yes.
All of them have the same circumference. Clear? All the 4 semicircles have the same circumference because they have the same diameter. Clear? So the circumference of the, or sorry, the perimeter of the given figure. ഈ സർക്കിളിന്റെ കേസിലാണ് ഇത് വരിക. ഇതൊരു സർക്കിൾ അല്ലാത്തതുകൊണ്ട് പെരിമീറ്റർ തന്നെ ചോദിച്ചത് കേട്ടോ. ആ ഷേപ്പ് circle alloy, it's look like a flower or something, right? That's why perimeter is asked. So perimeter of the given figure will be the 4 into circumference of a semicircle. Clear? Is that clear?
Yes, miss.
Yeah.
Yes, miss.
That is 4 into
Then 22 into 4.
okay. What's the answer?
88.
88 centimeter. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes,
Clear.
miss.
Okay.
Yes, miss.
Okay, now we are moving on to the next portion. Area of a circle. Area of a circle. So there are 2 questions for you. A farmer dug a flower bed of radius 7 meter. Flower bed എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ തടം എടുക്കല്ലേ, നമ്മൾ സർക്കുലർ ഷേപ്പിൽ തടം എടുക്കാറുണ്ട് അല്ലേ? So he is going to dug a flower bed, and it's the radius of that flower bed as a circular shape. It's 7 meter. Okay. He needs to purchase fertilizer. If 1 kg of fertilizer is required for 1 square meter area, how much fertilizer should he purchase? Appo circular flower bed aanu. Okay. He needs fertilizer for that. Appo oru cheriya piece na oru 1 meter എന്താ പറയാ length breadth ഉള്ള ഒരു ചെറിയ പീസിലേക്ക് 1 kilo fertilizer he need. 1 kg fertilizer he need ഒരു ചെറിയ portion. So it's a circular flower bed of radius 7 meter. So how much fertilizer he need? That is a question. Do we need to find the area or perimeter here? Flower bed മൊത്തമാണ്, അറ്റത്ത് മാത്രമല്ല അല്ലേ, അതിന്റെ ബൗണ്ടറിയിൽ മാത്രമല്ല നമ്മൾ ഫെർട്ടിലൈസർ ഇടുന്നത്. We will take the entire circle, right? ആ ഫ്ലവർ ബെഡിൽ മൊത്തം ഇടും. So here we are considering the area, not the perimeter. Clear? ഇപ്പം ഒരു വേലി കെട്ടാനുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഒക്കെ ആണെങ്കിൽ we should consider the perimeter. Clear? വേലി നമ്മൾ ആ വീടിന് ചുറ്റുമല്ലേ കിട്ടാം, അല്ലാതെ പറമ്പിൽ മൊത്തം അങ്ങനെ തലങ്ങളെ എങ്ങനെയെങ്കിലും കെട്ടി വെക്കില്ലല്ലോ. Only to the boundary, right? But here we are asked to find the area. And the second question, look at the second question. What will be the cost of polishing a circular tabletop of radius 2 meter at the rate of rupees 10 per square meter? Okay, we have a circular table in our house. Suppose we need to polish it. Okay, നമ്മൾ സ്ക്വയർ സർക്കിൾ ടേബിളിന്റെ ബൗണ്ടറിയിൽ മാത്രമാണോ പോളിഷിംഗ് ചെയ്യാം? wooden table ആണെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കാം. No, we will polish the entire surface. Clear? So here also we are considering the area of the circle. Clear? So another thing, how to find the area of a circle? That's another question. We need to derive it. നമ്മളുടെ മുമ്പിലെ കടമ്പ സർക്കിളിന്റെ ഏരിയ, സർക്കിളിന്റെ circumference equation നമ്മൾ കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചു. Now we are going to derive the equation how to find the area of a circle. That's the next question for us. Okay, suppose we have a circle. Suppose we have a circle. What we will do? What we are going to do? Okay, before that, using a graph paper, നിങ്ങൾ എങ്ങനെയാ area കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുന്നതെന്ന് അറിയോ? ഒരു graph paperൽ we can see a lot of squares അല്ലേ? ഒരുപാട് square കാണാം. അതില് 1 centimeter length 1 centimeter breadth അല്ല 1 centimeter side ഉള്ള സ്ക്വയേഴ്സിന്റെ നമ്പേഴ്സ് കൗണ്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ടാണ് ഗ്രാഫ് പേപ്പറിൽ ആദ്യം we will draw a circle, then we will count the number of squares, then we will find out the area of the circle. അത് ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളെ കൊണ്ട് ചെയ്യിക്കാന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ഓക്കെ അത് ഇരിക്കട്ടെ, അത് നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ ഇമ്പോർട്ടന്റ് അല്ല. ഞാൻ ഡെറിവേഷനിലേക്ക് പോവാം. അത് ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളെ എങ്ങനെയും കാണിച്ചു തരാം. ക്ലിയർ? Then here our task is to find the area of a circle. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a circle in a paper. Okay, എന്നിട്ട് അതിനെ എന്ത് ചെയ്യാം? നിങ്ങൾ സർക്കിളിനെ 4 ആയിട്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാറുണ്ട് അല്ലേ? Then 8 ആയിട്ടൊക്കെ ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാറുണ്ട് അല്ലേ? 16 ആയിട്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാം, 32 ആയിട്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാം, 64 ആയിട്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാം. Now I need you to take your your textbook and take page number 221 and look at figure 11.35, 11.35. That's the figure. Okay, here is a circle. Half of the circle is shaded, right? Yeah. Then that circle is divided into 8 parts in the second figure. Figure number 2, it is divided into 8 parts. Now look at the figure 11.36. ഈ 8 പാർട്ടിനെ നമ്മൾ അങ്ങോട്ടും ഇങ്ങോട്ടും മാറ്റി അറേഞ്ച് ചെയ്ത് വെച്ചിരിക്കുകയാണ് അല്ലേ? It almost like a parallelogram. കുറെ curved lines ഉണ്ട്, straight lines ഇല്ല. എന്നാലും നമുക്കത് ഏകദേശം when we look at that figure 11.36, we feel like it's a parallelogram, right?
Yes, miss.
Yes. Now what we are going to do this is when we made that a circle, we divided that circle in 8 pieces, right? We are going to so ഈ ഒരു പീസ് ഇല്ലേ, ഒരു കേക്ക് പോലത്തെ ഒരു പീസ്, അതിൽ 2 സ്ട്രെയിറ്റ് ലൈൻ നിങ്ങൾ കാണുന്നുണ്ടോ? ഒരു ആരോ മാർക്കിട്ട് ഒരു പീസ് നിങ്ങൾ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുക. Okay, you know that 2 straight line, it is actually the radius of the circle. Is that clear?
Yes, miss.
Yeah, the 2 line, the length of the line is same as the radius of the circle. Clear? So I draw actually a circle and I made it to 16 pieces and I got a piece like this. Okay, this line shows the radius and these line also shows the radius of the circle. Okay, before cutting the circle, I didn't measure its radius. Now let me measure it. The radius of that circle was, okay, it was 8.3 centimeter. 8.3 centimeter was the radius of my circle. Okay, ഈ പീസ് കണ്ടോ, ഒരു കേക്ക് പോലെ നമ്മൾ കേക്കിന്ന് കട്ട് ചെയ്തെടുക്കുന്ന പോലത്തെ പീസ്. This is called sector. Okay, ഒരു ചെറിയൊരു ആർക്കും 2 റേഡിയസ് കൂടെ മീൻസ് 2 ലെങ്ത് ഒക്കെ വന്ന് this is the sector, right? SECTOR, sector. So here this is a parallelogram. നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നറിയോ? ഇനി നമ്മൾ സർക്കിൾ ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ I'm going to make 64 sectors. 64 sectors means ഈ ചെറിയ സെക്ടറിനെ വീണ്ടും ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്ത് ഈക്വലി ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്ത് ഇങ്ങനത്തെ എത്ര പീസസ് ഉണ്ടാക്കും? I'll make 64 sectors. Clear? Like this. This is 16 pieces only. I mean 16 sectors only. Then what will I do? I will arrange it. ഇപ്പൊ എടുത്ത ഞാൻ എന്റെ കയ്യിലിരിക്കുന്ന 16 ഉള്ളൂ, പക്ഷേ you can take page number 222. In that figure 11.37, you can see a circle there. ആ സർക്കിളിനെ കുനുകുനാന്ന് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്ത് വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. There are 64 sectors. We can make 64 sectors from that circle. Then we are going to arrange the sectors like this. We will take one sector like this, and take the another one and place it like this. And take the next one, keep it like this, and so on. We will place everything like this. Like this, like this, like this. We will go like this. Clear? Can you see this?
Yes, Miss. Clear.
Yes. So when we arrange the small sectors, right? We got 64 sectors. When we arrange that, we will get a figure in 11.37. You can see that. It's look like a rectangle, right? When we arrange that. From parallelogram, when the number of sectors increase, the shape formed is a rectangle, right? We got a rectangle. We know how to find the area of a rectangle if the length and breadth are known. ആ സർക്കിളിനെ മുറിച്ച് കഷ്ടപ്പെട്ട് ഇങ്ങനെ അറേഞ്ച് ചെയ്ത് എന്തിനാണെന്നറിയോ? അതിനെ ഒരു റെക്ടാംഗിൾ ഷേപ്പിലേക്ക് ഫോം ചെയ്യണം. കാരണം we know how to find the area of the rectangle if L and B are known. Clear? So next step, next task is to find what is the length, what is the breadth from that figure. Okay, I arrange the figure like this. Oh, we have only 1 minute time. 1 minute. Can I take a moment? Can I schedule special class on Sunday? Will you be available on Sundays?
Yes, Miss.
At what time?
Sure, Miss.
When you will be
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock.
Okay, what about afternoon? After 5 o'clock, I can set any time. Can I?
Yeah, it's okay.
Is that okay
But
for
I
everyone?
won't be able to attend after 9 o'clock or 9 o'clock.
Okay, till
Up to-
9 o'clock, it's fine.
Yes, it is fine.
Okay. If you
Means
have any other objection, you please